What is up guys? Marco Romas here. Dito sa Pilipinas, sobrang uso ng tinatawag na CPTO. Gusto ko lang emphasize ha, hindi okay ang CPTO. In content creation or in any industry as a whole, may tinatawag tayo na intellectual property rights. Ibig sabihin nun, may karapatan ka sa isang bagay na ikaw ang nag-isip, ikaw originally ang bumuo. Kaya ngayon nagtanong ako sa ilan sa mga pinakasikat na content creators dito sa Pilipinas on what they thought about intellectual property rights. Let's go!
Yes. Nakasaway na.
Oh, actually,
Yes.
marami na. You're asking the right person.
Yes, sobrang daming beses.
Yes.
Yes?
Na-hurt ko. Okay lang yun. I forget.
It's fine with me.
Ouch. Bad feeling.
Maagaw.
Surreal.
Protective. Because I worked so hard for my content. So what I did was, I actually filed a trademark. So the intellectual property of Sleeping Pill with Inga, which is my podcast, is already under my ownership.
Lagi isipin ng intellectual property ay pinag-iisipan at pinaghihirapan kaya dapat ito ay igalang.